if you have a Rhapis Palm in your house, first you need to look for a hummingbird nest, because they like to nest in these palms, especially in this kind of situation in the corner. So because they will be the egg will be protected and themselves during the night. The way to prune this one is to cut the long one, but this one here is still okay. So what I do is just cut the old branches like this, the dead branches like this, like so. Okay, so we cut all the dead flowers in here like so, all the way to the ridge here, to the bottom, close to the trunk of the plant, so you don't see all those. You don't see any dead stump in there. Everything is nice and clear, clean. And then here you pull out this one like this, like so, like this, and then you cut it down like that, close to the trunk. Same thing you do in here. Same thing you do with the green ones in there. Same thing you do with the ones in here. Don't cut the leaves, just cut the flowers. Cut the flowers, don't cut the leaves. Beautiful. This one you can leave it on there. Come in here, cut this all dead one in here like this. Flowers, cut it, remove it like that. Remove this one like so. Beautiful, like that. Another one in here, carefully. Put it to the side, cut it. Plant by plant, trunk by trunk. Remove all the dead material like so. This plant that was dying. By cutting the dead material or the old material. Now you're going to look like you will see the plant that looks healthier, nicer. When we do pruning professionally, we need to move our hands in the way to, the faster that we do the work, probably the more money we can make. We need to move our hands. Correct all this old cut that somebody making here, so this cut will look better. This is too big, then we use our magic hand saw. All right, we remove all the dead material. Now we use the hand clippers. Cut this one in here. Cut this lower branch, lower leaves. Cut this one. We need to use the hand saw in this one. Beautiful. Then once I think the plant has been pruned and cleaned, then I step back. I see how the plant looks. I see the 1, 2 leaves, 3 leaves, 4 leaves could be removed. Then I come here, I do this. 1, 2, this is just a detail. I will remove this one also. Coming from here, I will remove this one. This one looks fairly okay. This is yellow, but looks nice still. I will remove this one here. I will remove the one here. I will remove the one here. And the rest looks pretty good. If you do a job like this in your Rhapis Palm in your house, this is a good job. So I hope I help you by doing this, so you can do the same thing in your house and make your Rhapis Palm look healthy and beautiful.
It took 5 minutes.
A lot of time. Pura vida.
Shaka shaka boom boom, shaka shaka boom boom boom, shaka shaka boom, shaka shaka boom boom.